Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming why Excel shows # in a cell. First, widen the column or double-click the column header to auto-fit. This often resolves display overflow immediately. Once done, check the cell format in Home ribbon. Number, date, text, or custom can change output. Also make sure to look at the formula bar and toggle wrap text or increase row height to reveal content. These first actions quickly separate display issues from formatting or data errors. Next, dig into why the value cannot render. You should check for negative dates or values too large for the current number format. Excel shows ## for invalid date serials. Also inspect custom formats and long text strings that exceed cell width. Consider using text or splitting values across cells. Once you locate a formula, evaluate it step by step with F2 and evaluate formula. This helps find concatenations or error-producing operations. Make sure calculation mode is automatic so results update. To finish, apply the correct cell format or convert problematic values with text, value, or date value so Excel can render them. You can also use IFR to provide a fallback display instead of ###. Make sure merged cells or cell protection are not blocking display, and run a simple copy-paste as values into a new sheet to isolate corruption. If things still fail, revert to a recent backup. As a troubleshooting tip, toggle calculation to manual, then back to automatic to force a full recalc and reveal hidden issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.